Hello guys, in this video we will do an unboxing and review of a mobile phone holder for your tripod. Actually in Amazon it comes pretty cheap, so I went ahead and ordered a couple of them. So this is how it looks from the back and front side. As you can see, even in the back side also they have give you a thread for anchoring it to the tripod. And this is how the bottom and top part looks like. There also you can see a thread, which will be helpful for mounting into your tripod stand. So this is how the holder works. It has the top part can move, and in between the top and bottom part you can place the phone. So we'll see how to use it. First, press the top part against either of the side of the phone and pull the bottom part and clip it to the other side of the phone. That's it. It's as simple as that. And you can thread it to the tripod the way you want, because there are two threads given, one on the back side and one on the bottom side. The tripod we usually screw it into the bottom side. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you guys like the video. This is a very helpful thing when you are doing a bit of videography, photography, or time lapse, anything. So that's it guys. I hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take care.